Steelma are the professional manufacturer for roll forming machine in China. Manual feed shears delivers smooth, effortless cutting in a single operation. Polished surface and heat treatment for molds can keep the molding plate surface smooth and not easy to be marked when stamping. Customize various sizes according to your needs. Roofing sheet roll forming machine consists of an automatic decoiler feeding guide, roll forming unit, hydraulic cutter with PLC-based control system. Hydraulic drive, automatic positioning and cutting. It adopts hydraulic drive to automatically position, determine the size and cut the target product. Ready to upgrade your production? Visit Steelma Corporation. Contact our engineers today for customized solutions where quality rolls into every tile.